Hello to everyone. Today we're going to group of 42 people and we're going to show you how to use the system you're going to get. And the reason of that, because we're not going to see the customer when we hand over the rucksack with the devices. And instead of that, we're going to take it to the concierge at the hotel. And because of that, we would not be able to explain how to use them. And again, because of that, we do the video in advance for the customer to be able to have a look and maybe even forward to tour guides how to use the system. So you're going to have this rucksack. Each pocket has something inside. So for example, this small pocket has two single-use headphones. They go inside ears and don't offer them. So we provide because if the standard headphones would not fit to customer ear, you can use this one, but it's less than 1% is going to be happened. So here we have 4 microphones. Why 4? Because it's going to be 2 tour guides, and we divide this group for 2. So it's 42 people. Each group going to have 21 people instead, and each group run by one tour guide. So each tour guide has the choice of the microphones. So the one microphone is a clip-on microphone, another one is over-the-head microphone. So it's a little bit better because when tour guide turns his head, their head, so the microphone goes with the head as well, so it's better. But very often tour guides, they prefer these clip-on microphones. Because of 2 tour guides, as I said, you've got 4 microphones, and they can choose which one they would like to use on the day. So here we have let me show you. So here we have 42 receivers and 2 transmitters, because they're going to be 2 tour guides. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 20, 21. And this transmitter set to channel number 1, and all of those receivers, they also on channel number 1. And I leave them on because I'm going to show you. So if I switch on using this red button, the transmitter, so this, you can see, this group is now off because this transmitter only connect to the receivers on the left-hand side. So let me switch it on again. And likewise, this one, we preset it channel number 8. And this transmitter connect with these guys. Let me show you here. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 9, 20, 21. So it's channel number 8. And if we switch them off, you can see the right-hand side now off as well. So if you switch off the transmitter for more than 10 minutes, because now receivers, they still on, because we didn't switch them off manually. But if the transmitter off for more than 10 minutes, so all of these receivers will switch off automatically as well. So please bear in mind, if you have small pause in your tour, like 15 or half an hour, instead of switching off your transmitter, just use this wheel. And this is very important. This is a socket for the microphone. And also, if you would like to mute yourself, it's not enough just to remove the microphone from here, because when you remove the microphone from jack, you remove jack from the socket, so there is internal microphone here, if you can see, and this microphone starts to pick up because it's switching on automatically, and all group would be able still hear what you're saying. So instead of that, instead of removing microphone from the socket, use this wheel until the minimum, until the end. And once the green LED starts flashing, it means that you completely mute, so nobody can hear you. So again, if you have a pause like half an hour, use this wheel, mute yourself. So, and this allows to keep all these devices on during this half an hour. And when you resume your tour, please don't forget to bring this wheel back to the maximum, because each of participants, they have their own wheel to adjust the volume here. Okay? But when you finish your tour, please switch off the transmitter, because if you don't do it, it keeps all system running for, I mean, they're not going to switch off automatically. So this is like a master thing you need to switch off when you finish your tour. So as I said, so this is for tour guide number 1, and this is group 21 people, and this is for tour guide number 2, and this is the group of 21, another 21 people. So if you go to the very condensed museum, like a British museum, I'm not sure whether you're going to visit or not, and if you have, it's less than 5% is going to happen, but in case it's happened, so what I'm talking about, because sometimes someone can use the same system next to you, or it's going to be maybe some devices which run the same frequency. And if you have any problem and group is complaining that they can't hear you very well, longer than 5 minutes, so in this case you need to change channel. You can do it very easily. So I show you on this group, for example. So if you see here is currently number 1, the channel number 1. So if you have, once again, if you have problems with the hearing more than 5 minutes, so what you need to do, you need to press and hold these 2 blue buttons in order to remove this lock, because this lock currently is locked from the change the channels, so you can't change channels when it's locked. So you press and hold these 2 blue buttons, you remove the lock, and then you choose the channel, because channel number 8 now is occupied by another group. So choose like channel number 16, and when the lock appears here, all receivers which are been sent to channel number 1, they automatically change the channels to channel number 16. So I'm going to bring it back to number 1 again. So once again, I remove the lock, I change the channel, I just wait a little bit until locks appears, and then all devices brings back to channel number 1. And you can, again, you can test it. If you want to, if you switch it off here, you will see the group on left-hand side is off. So switch it on now. Again, when we rent it out to our tour guide systems, we check that all batteries on the maximum. But just in case if you have any problems with batteries, they are here. They normally run for 2 weeks and 2 or 3 weeks even. And we also provide you the spare one, but just let you know they are here. So let me show you what else. So here we have headphones. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 2. And also there are spare batteries here. And you've got in the small pocket here 1 spare headphone. So the white bit goes directly towards the air, and the wire goes backwards. So, and it would fit any air, but just in case if the customer has any medical problems, like very thick air, so you would not be fitted. But as I said, it's less than 1%, and in this case, if it's not going to fit, in this case only you will use this one. But all headphones, these headphones and those headphones, all of them, please bring them back. They're not single use, they've been sanitized, they've been prepared for the hire, but you need to return them back. And please, if you remove these brackets as well, don't put it in the bin. Please also return them to us. So they are here. So you remove this, you remove it, then this knot, you open this knot, and you keep it like that, and distribute one by one to the customer. When you finish, don't do this again. Just make sure that you've got all headphones here. Each one is being returned, and just put everything here. Don't make it nice. Just put it here. Make sure all of them returned. Put in here, close it, and we will collect it. If you have any questions, please let me know. So this is as I said, this is rucksack. You can carry it. It's quite heavy, but it's manageable. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.